Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how and where you can easily find all passwords on your iOS 18 iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and write your comments after watching it. And let's, friends, you and I get down to the topic. And I'll tell you right away that it's very convenient that on the latest iOS 18 update, all iPhones can have an app that stores absolutely all passwords on your iPhone, and you can find any password in one app. So this is what this app looks like. It's called Passwords. And you can either find it on the work screen with all the apps, like I have, or you can swipe down from the top of the screen. And now you can type passwords into the search box, and you can see the app. Open it up. Or you have to swipe down to the app library and just type the word passwords into the search box. And once you find that app and open it, you'll need to authenticate first. As you can see, in my case it's Face ID or Touch ID, depending on what model of iPhone you have. And as you can see, here you're greeted by a very user-friendly interface and everything is divided into convenient folders. And for example, here you can find the Everything section. This is where all passwords to all social networks, all Google pages that are linked to your iPhone, and so on are stored. Also friends, here you can find, for example, Wi-Fi passwords. So you can see all the Wi-Fi that you've previously connected to from your iPhone. And you can go to any of those Wi-Fis and see the password. Also friends, there's a very handy feature here. It's deleted passwords. When you go into it, if you have deleted any passwords on your iPhone on purpose or accidentally, they'll be stored in that folder for 30 days till you can recover them if you need to. This is how you will be able to find any passwords on your iPhone running iOS 18. Hope you found this video useful, friends. Please put your likes under this video, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.